All right, let's watch our second one.
Yes.
We're going to go here. So this is the same type of information, but it's about comparatives. Okay? One step above an adjective.
ESL Library. Comparative adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives can give us information such as the size or age of a noun. Adjectives can also tell us someone's opinion about a noun or describe how someone is feeling. We use comparative adjectives to compare two people, places, or things. Comparative adjectives tell us how one noun is different from the other. For example, she is taller than him. This painting is more beautiful than that painting. My brother looks happier than my sister. How are comparative adjectives formed in English? It depends on how many syllables the adjective has. For one-syllable adjectives, we add er to the adjective. For example, short becomes shorter. If the adjective ends in a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, we double the final consonant before adding er. For example, big becomes bigger. For two-syllable adjectives that end in y, we change y to I and add er. For example, hungry becomes hungrier, and noisy becomes noisier. For adjectives that are two syllables or more, we use the word more before the adjective. For example, modern becomes more modern, and expensive becomes more expensive. Some comparative adjectives in English don't follow the usual rules. For example, the adjective good becomes better in the comparative form. Bad becomes worse, and far becomes farther or further. The most common sentence pattern for comparative adjectives in English is subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus object. Let's look at some examples of comparative adjectives in a sentence. The blue house is bigger than the yellow house. Rock music is better than classical music. My dog is lazier than my cat. The singer is more famous than the actor. My boots are more expensive than your shoes. Look at the adjective. Say or write the comparative adjective. For example, tall, taller. Now you try.
All right, let's see. Careful becomes more careful. Noisy becomes noisier. Dangerous becomes more dangerous. Bad becomes worse.
Thanks for watching.
Awesome. So now we can go on to our superlative adjectives. This is what we've been really practicing on.
ESL Library. Superlative adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives can give us information such as the size or age of a noun. Adjectives can also tell us someone's opinion about a noun or describe how someone is feeling. We use superlative adjectives to compare 3 or more people, places, or things. Superlative adjectives tell us how one noun is different from the rest. For example, she is the tallest girl in the group. This painting is the most beautiful of all. He is the happiest student in my class. How are superlative adjectives formed in English? It depends on how many syllables the adjective has. For one-syllable adjectives, we add the and est to the adjective. For example, short becomes the shortest. If the adjective ends in a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, we double the final consonant before adding est. For example, big becomes the biggest. For two-syllable adjectives that end in y, we change y to I and add est. For example, hungry becomes the hungriest, and noisy becomes the noisiest. For adjectives that are 2 syllables or more, we use the words the most before the adjective. For example, modern becomes the most modern, and expensive becomes the most expensive. Some superlative adjectives in English don't follow the usual rules. For example, the adjective good becomes the best in the superlative form. Bad becomes the worst, and far becomes the farthest or the furthest. The most common sentence pattern for superlative adjectives in English is subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective plus object. Let's look at some examples of superlative adjectives in a sentence. The blue house is the biggest house on the street. Rock music is the best kind of music. My dog is the laziest pet in my house. The singer is the most famous member of the band. These boots are the most expensive shoes in my closet. Look at the adjective. Say or write the superlative adjective. For example, tall, the tallest. Now you try.
Good becomes the best. Noisy becomes the noisiest. Dangerous becomes the most dangerous. Bad becomes the worst.
Thanks for watching.
Awesome.
ESL.
Okay, so I have a video about EST and the most. It's another review about superlatives.
Hi, my name's Sarah, and today we're going to learn about superlative adjectives in English. If you've not seen my lesson on comparative adjectives, I recommend that you follow the link above or down below first. As we saw in my lesson on comparative adjectives, when comparing two cars, we can say, this car is faster than this car. When we're comparing more than two things, we use the superlative. This is the fastest car. It goes 300 kilometers an hour. Here, the fastest car is the superlative. When using one-syllable adjectives such as tall, small, or fast, we use the plus the adjective plus est. So let's go back to our snail and rabbit. If we compare the two animals, we say the snail is slower than the rabbit. But if we add the sloth, we say the sloth is the slowest animal in the world. It's slower than all the other animals. Now remember our flowers. A beautiful bunch of tulips and an unwanted weed. These flowers are more beautiful than these flowers. But the rose is the most beautiful flower. It's more beautiful than all the other flowers. When comparing more than two things, with most adjectives with two syllables or more, we add the most plus the adjective. For example, skiing is the most exciting sport. Exciting is three syllables, so we use the, most, and the adjective. So the rule is, short adjectives of one syllable, we add the plus the adjective plus est. Long adjectives of two syllables or more, we add the most plus the adjective. There are some spelling changes you should remember. The first one to remember is with one syllable adjectives with the pattern consonant, vowel, consonant. Remember to double the final consonant before est. For example, this is the biggest ball. Notice the double consonant G. If the adjective ends in E, we just add st. For example, this house is the largest. Two-syllable adjectives ending in Y, like lucky, happy, and angry, have a special pattern. The first thing to note is that unlike other adjectives with two syllables, they don't take most but est, and the Y changes to I. For example, this monkey is the angriest. Notice angry is a two-syllable adjective, angry, ending in Y, so we change the Y to I and we add est. Now for the exceptions. Good, bad, and far. The first one is good. So the drink is good, the meal is better, but fruit is the best for your health. The superlative of good is the best, not the goodest. Then bad. So likewise, alcohol is bad for your health. Cigarettes are worse, but the worst of all are drugs. So drugs are the worst thing for your health. The superlative of bad is the worst, not the baddest. And lastly, far. So as we saw in my comparatives tutorial, the UK is far, China is farther or further, but the farthest of all is Pluto. So Pluto is the farthest or furthest planet from the Earth. Note that you can use farthest or furthest as a superlative for far. Now it's your turn. Compare these three cats using the adjective fat. This cat is
fatter.
the fattest. Remember
The fattest.
CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. You double the final consonant before EST. Compare these three people using the adjective lucky. This woman is
The luckiest.
the luckiest. That's right. Remember, two-syllable adjectives ending in Y don't take most, but EST. And remember the Y changes to I. Compare these three objects using the adjective expensive. A crown, a pen, and an apple. Write your answer down below in the comments section. Congratulations, you now know how to use superlative adjectives in English.
Nice work. Okay, we're going to play our guessing game. This is the part where I would love to hear all of you participating. Okay, the whale is the biggest. The ant is the smallest. All right, we're going to play our game. All right, let me see. Who can fill in our sentence? The elephant is...
Biggest.
Biggest. The biggest. The elephant is the biggest. The cheetah is...
The fastest.
the fastest. Very good. Who is that? Nice work. The butterfly is...
Smallest. Smallest.
the smallest. Very good.
Lowest.
Snail is the slowest. Very good. snake is
Longest.
good work, the longest.
The most expensive.
Very good. Sorry, my computer wasn't letting me pause. The blue car is the most expensive. Very good. The dwarf is,
The tallest.
yes, the tallest. Very good. The red tree is,
The shortest.
very good, the shortest. The butterfly is
The most beautiful.
the most beautiful. Mia is
The happiest.
the happiest. Nice work. I love hearing you guys participate. Nice job. Gonna give out some points to those friends that were participating. Nice work. Mia is the happiest. All right. Now I gotta go onto this. Okay, so now we're going to do our picture talk. Our picture talk. Okay, we watched all those awesome videos. And now we're going to do our picture talk. So go ahead and pull out your picture talk. Let me share my screen to a closer version. So your page looks like this. And it goes with the pictures. Okay. Did anyone finish this page? Did anyone finish the picture talk? Or not yet? What?
Finish.
Finished. Okay, let's go over it then. Let's just go over it. Okay, so let's look at all of our pictures first. The laptop's memory is amazing. So it has a lot of storage. It can have all kinds of pictures and videos. Okay. And it's how much? $575. Oh my goodness. The best looking watch. It looks the best. Maybe it's the prettiest or the coolest looking. And it's $250. Now, games are more fun. This is our gaming system. $700 for the gaming system. That's pretty expensive. A new phone that does chores. What? That's pretty cool. That's $200. This one says, it comes in many colors. Our MP3 player is $275. And this one says it's better than all other cameras. Our digital camera is $400. What is this object up here? What's the first object? A
Gaming system.
the first one on here on our picture? What's this one?
Laptop.
A laptop. Very good. Then over here we have, what is that?
Looking watch.
A smartwatch. It's the best looking watch, means that it looks really nice, but it is a smartwatch. Okay, it is a smartwatch. This one right here is a smartwatch. Okay? Smartwatch. All right, right here, what do we have here? What's this one? Someone said it earlier. What kind of system is this? A gaming system. A gaming system, okay? We have a laptop. We have a gaming system and a smartwatch. What about this one? What do we call this device? What's this?
Smartphone.
Yes, a smartphone. A smartphone. Oops. Smartphone. See, we have phone here, right? We have watch here. We have games here. Those are like hints as to what our items are called. All right, what is this device called? Plays music. What do we call a device that plays music? An MP3 player. Yes. And what about this one? What kind of camera is this? What kind of camera is it? A digital camera. Okay, digital camera. So those are all of our devices and their names, right? We already have laptop. I can put it up here just as an extra reference. So we have our laptop, our smartwatch, our gaming system, our smartphone, our MP3 player, and our digital camera. Very good. Okay, so if we go up here, they want us to fill it in. Let's see. They did number 1 for us. The most expensive item in the store is the
Gaming system.
gaming system. Very good. Because look, it says the most expensive, and we go down and look at our pictures. 575, 250, 700, 200, 275, and 400. So 700 is the most expensive. Okay. What about number 2? The most colorful item in the store is the
Smartwatch.
Okay, so the smartwatch is the best looking watch, but do you see the word colors somewhere on this page? Colors. Which one says that it comes in many colors? Which one comes in many colors? Because our question is the most colorful item. Which one comes in many colors? Right here, look. Comes in many colors. Which item comes in many colors?
MP3 player.
Very good. The MP3 player. So that's what we're going to put here. MP3 player. Okay? Nice work. Number 3. The blank is the most powerful item in the store. Which one says that it is the most powerful? So none of these say the most powerful, right? But which one has the best memory? Which one has the most amount of memory, which means it'd be the most powerful?
Camera.
The what?
Smartphone.
The smartphone. Could be the smartphone. Says it has a lot of chores, right? Let's put smartphone there for now, okay? Because it does a lot of chores.
Camera.
Or the camera. It's better than all other cameras. Okay, so we have 2 options, the smartphone or the camera. Let's actually skip number 3 for now. Okay, let's go to number 4. The blank is the most unusual item in the store. Most unusual. Which one is kind of weird? We wouldn't find it everywhere. We can find a laptop anywhere. We can find a smartwatch anywhere. We can find a gaming system anywhere. But a phone that does chores, that's pretty unusual. Do you think it could be the smartphone? Do you think that's unusual? A phone that does chores?
Smartphone.
Yeah, I think so too. It does chores. Right here it says a new phone that does chores. That's not very normal. That's really, really unusual. So let's put that one there. Smartphone. All right. The best item in the store for taking pictures. The best item in the store for taking pictures. Which one helps us take pictures?
Camera.
The camera. The
Digital camera.
digital camera. Phones take pictures too, but this is the best item for taking pictures. Digital camera. Number 6, the blank is the most beautiful item in the store. Which one looks the best?
Laptop.
Laptop. The memory is amazing.
Fan.
What about the smartwatch? The best looking. Which one looks the best?
Smartwatch.
The smartwatch. It's the most beautiful because it's the best looking item in the store. So that means that if we go up to number 3, the most powerful item in the store, which one is left? The most
Laptop.
powerful. Yes, the laptop, because the memory is amazing, which means it has a lot of power to be able to have that much memory. Laptop. All right, now they want us to match. Where is the gaming system? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Where is the gaming system? You have to match. Where's the gaming system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6?
3.
3. Very good, Ern. There it is. Where is the MP3 player?
5.
5. Very good. There it is. Where is the laptop?
1.
Very good. Up on top. Where is the smartphone? 4. Very good. Where is the digital camera?
6.
6.
And where is the smartwatch?
2.
2. Very
Two.
good. Number 2. All right, let's read these sentences together. Number 1. The most expensive item in the store is the gaming system. Tukun Putamchan, repeat after me. The most expensive item in the store item in the store
Item in the store
is the gaming system.
is the gaming system.
Very good. Number 2. The most colorful item in the store is the MP3 player. Repeat after me. The most colorful
The most colorful
item in the store
item in the store
is the MP3 player.
is the MP3 player.
Very good. Number 3.
Di mana kita fail? Macam ambil situ.
The laptop
Ini dengan
is
BC fail.
the most powerful item in
The
the
laptop.
store. The
Di mana
laptop
The laptop
The laptop.
is the most powerful
is
Is the man powerful.
item in the store.
item in
Item in the store.
Nice job. We don't want to speak too fast because then we can't understand what we're saying. Number 4, the smartphone is the most unusual item in the store. The smartphone
Smartphone ini most
the smartphone
is the most unusual
is
the
the man
unusual
item in the store.
item in
item in the store.
Very good. Number 5. The best item in the store for taking pictures is the digital camera. The best item in the store
item in the store
for taking pictures
for taking picture
is the digital camera.
is the digital camera.
Very good. And our last one. The smartwatch is the most beautiful item in the store. The smartwatch
The smartwatch
is the most beautiful
is the most beautiful
item in the store.
item in the store.
Very good. Nice work. And we matched all of them. Fantastic job, friends. Nice work. So, for homework,
The smartwatch.
I want you to try to
Ini in the
read
store.
your happy reader. I want you to read how smart are smartphones? Okay? So, let me see. Your homework is to read the happy reader and answer the questions. So it's page 36 and 37. Okay? Your homework is page 36 and page 37. Okay, only 3 questions on the bottom. I know it's a lot of words, but I really want you to try your best. Try your best to read the happy reader. Okay? What's your homework? Read the happy reader. Okay. All right, friends. Okay. All right. So that is it. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed those videos. I hope you got all of your picture talk done because we did it together as a class. And just try your best with the happy reader. I know it's a lot of words, okay? Do your best. Okay? Let's sing our thank you song and then we'll go. Thank you, thank you. I really want to thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
Goodbye
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ